Welcome to my channel. My name is VJ Nelson. Here we're reviewing a mind control system which let people do almost anything you ask of them to do. This system it's been created by Wesley Virgin and Nancy. And this information that you're getting right now is brand new because this product have just been out 28 weeks since it's been out online. And I'm the first really to grab the review and say let's really do a video on this. So I'm here to give you information on this entire product by Wesley Virgin, which is very much brand new. So I'm just going to go into my intro right now, and after that I'll just let you know all I got to know. And please do not skip this video because right through it you will get entire value, and if you skip you will not get the information that you're supposed to get, right? And you will not understand that much. So please just bear with me. And please feel free to come over towards my channel and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell that you get notified whenever I come out with new videos. Also feel free to watch any of my videos here on the channel. Okay, let's get into the video now. As I say, I'm reviewing this entire mind control system, right, by Wesley Virgin, which let people do almost anything you ask of them. And this has been created by Wesley Virgin and Nancy. This is a brand new product, very much out on the market, just 28 weeks. At this very moment that I'm doing this review, it's just 28 weeks since it's out, and it's kicking up the market. I'm telling you, it's moving up the stream. You got to make sure you get your hand on this. If you are into the whole point that you want to become, whether an influencer, a business person, whatever it got to be, you're going to need this right now. Right, and here we are with this brand new product, as I said, right? Brand new excessive training from Wesley Virgin and Nancy. And this is how to use mind control triggering to get anyone to do what you want with little or no effort, right? And as you can see them here, you can see you're about to discover exactly how to use physiology triggering that get people to deserve your product or service. So this is good within business, right? If you have a business and you want to deal with, this is good within the business, right? Because it helps by letting people choose you over your competitors. It goes by letting people like you, so you create more sales within your entire business. And even if you are doing your YouTube videos, this helps for you to get more likes, more subscribers, and more views on your entire videos, right? So even if you are creating a blog and you post your videos on your blog, this will help in order for more people to subscribe, more people to click on the links within your blog, and so on. This helps entirely within business by letting people do whatever you ask of them, as I've said before. Right? So here we're back now at the second part where it said unlock the pre-suasion technology to make people do what you want without resistance. So as I mentioned before, you're doing all your videos on the YouTube and so on. This is what really make people do whatever you ask within your videos, such as click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, they're gonna give you likes, click the links in the description. You're gonna say, okay, go right now and do what I gotta do. This is what helps. In the third point here, he said, use your physiology to unconsciously pursue people, thoughts, and action So as you can see, guys, this is a powerful, very powerful thing to do, right? Unleash dark physiology tactics that will make any woman or man fall deeply in love with you. This is definitely for everyone to take control of. So whether it's business or you want to go out there to look a nice lady, or probably you ladies want a very handsome man, right? Could be that you men want a sexy body like Nancy here, or you women could want a strong, healthy body like Wesley. Whatever it got to be, but this product really help you within all of that. All right, discover the hypnotic trigger that media use and you to get you to buy their products. That is very good for you to learn. Learn the mind control trick to get people to say yes. Works 97% of the time, which this is very much you put in a confidence to show you it's not 100%, but at least 97%, because you know some people really just because they want you to really get in their product, they gotta tell you, oh, this work 100% of the time. He's here giving you the exact truth about his product, right? And he say, discover the signs as you register right now, right? So if you really want to get into this thing to really learn much about it, it's very easy. You can click the links in the description below and get towards it. And as I said before, this help in many ways, making new friends, getting new clients, getting in new business adventures, leading an entire audience, right? Like if you're on a YouTube channel, you're on a Facebook, you're on Instagram, TV, within whatever you got to use within videos, or you got to meet people personally. This is what help you to really draw them towards you, to like you, and to do whatever you ask of them to do. So this is very powerful. Click the link in the description below and get it right now so you are in control of it, and you got to just do what you got to do. Now to the point of it, you're going to come towards a webinar right here. You could click right here for the webinar, or you could even click this one below. And I want to show you something that there's much more information here than what I've just give you, right? Because I can only give you a limited amount, but when you get into this webinar, you will get the full information, the full package of everything you need to really get you going on within this entire thing. So please don't miss this entire training here, because the webinar is a part of a training and give you all the information. See, there's a testimonial here. We said, Wes, these mind control techniques are too powerful to be given out to the public. I use these techniques to start making 70,000 per month in a business. See, people, I'm not lying to you when I'm going to tell you that this entire system can help you within your business for you to make more sales, for you to definitely be chosen over your competitors. All right? It is so powerful that you guys, if you have never laid a beautiful ladies, this is what can get you there. And for who are ready to do real business online, if you have never made your first commission and you're really doing YouTube videos, this is what going to help you to make your real commission. This is what going to help you to bring your audience in and to really get things going on very fast for you right now. So don't waste no more time. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, this is a time for you to subscribe. This is a time for you to also give my video a thumbs up, because I'm really here bringing good value to you about with this product, please don't miss out on it. I love you. Take care of yourself. That's